Evening and welcome back to the channel. This time it's the turn of the Dolomite to get some wood, so come on, I'll show you what we're going to do. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is to get the engine running again. And you need three things for a car engine to run. You need spark, fuel and compression. Now, to sort the spark out, we need to check the battery. This has been stuck for months, so the battery's run down. So we'll have a look at the battery and see what state it's in. Right, I've got the multimeter across the battery terminals, and it's not looking good. 1.5 volts. That is a pretty much terminal, but we're not going to give up on it just yet. I'll get the battery off and we'll put it on a 24-hour charge, see if that revives it. I don't hold out much hope, but you know, nothing to lose by trying. Right, time to disconnect the battery, and first rule, always disconnect the negative terminal first. So I'll get that loosened. A bit of wiggling. Now that's off. And then we do the same with the positive terminal. And that's off. Just need to undo this clamp. And the battery should just lift out. And we'll get this charged. Alright, the battery's on charge and we'll leave it for 24 hours. And we'll see if it works. I don't hold out much hope, but it might just be enough to for when we come to crank it over. I'm going to end the video here. Whoa, hold it there, we're not quite done yet. It's now 24 hours later and I've just turned the charger off. I've got the multimeter on and the battery's showing green, so it might be alright. So we'll just get the multimeter to it. And we're showing at 13.26 volts, so unfortunately that doesn't mean anything on its own. It means that the battery's taking a charge, but whether it's actually working is another thing. So I think what I'll have to do is I'll just take it back over and just leave it another 24 hours and see what it's like. It's been another 24 hours, so let's get the multimeter on the battery. 12.86. Might be alright. Only way to find out is to put it on the car and then crank it over, see what happens. Well, the battery's in. I've got the multimeter hooked up. I've got the key in ignition. Right, I'll just turn it over. So what I point out, I'm not trying to get the engine running at this moment in time. Just want to see the general state of the battery. So if it drops below 10 volts, the battery's had it. Did it work? Find out. Right, this negative cable you can see there, just looking a little bit dodgy here where it goes to body and over to the engine earth. I'll just to put you guys down for a while. I'll take some measurements. Alright, so the thick wire from see if I can get an approximate measurement to the engine earth. It's about 16 inch, 41 centimetres. And move it, get you back in place. And this one here, short one, what's that? It's a bit hard with a steel tape measure, but about 7 inch, which is just short of 18 centimetres. Right, so I'll make a note of that, and I still haven't reviewed the footage yet. I don't know what this battery's like, so I'll be with you in a second as soon as I reviewed the footage. So that's here. This cable measure, I can either buy one from Rimmer Brothers. They do have one available, or make one up. Get one from a motor factor. Let's make up 2 cables and all the measurements. It took me 3 goes to get a voltage reading while it was cranking over. First time I had a reflection of the fluorescent light in the carport, so I had to resort to using the phone. Second time the multimeter moved at the critical moment, and my third time looking at, I got it and it's dropped below 10 volts, so the battery's definitely toast, so I'll get a new one ordered. Anyway, I'm going to end this video, so your questions, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching, I'll see you later.